We are in Racine, Wisconsin. This is Main Place building. There's a very weird elevator in here. Looks like a regular Dover. Until we step in, we see that it has a side door. That's already a little peculiar. Look at this. This is the weirdest COP I have ever seen for a Dover traditional. This is just bizarre. Cool as hell, but fucking bizarre. So weird. All right, let's go down to LL. I'm really excited to watch this indicator. That's the floor passing chime. Is there a freighter here? That might be a freight elevator. Anyway, I'm gonna investigate that. That's definitely a freight elevator. That's cool. No bumper. All right, down to the lower level. That's freaking so weird. Oh, sorry.
You're good.
So I just get a video of it.
No, you're good.
Take care.
You too.
This is such a weird layout. It's cool as hell, but it's strange. This would be a really neat COP if they ever mod this. I want it. Anyway, I'm gonna go investigate that now.